Inibingelele kwi-Nevertheless Commentaries. Number one, Kaizer Chiefs. You cannot play high line ngama-defenders angenayo pace. I think that was evident namhlanje. Into engiyishilo kwivideo yayizolo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs on paper is the best defensive team because they had played games of 5 and without concede goal ngisho nelilodwa. But what I've also said is that they are not tested yet. And when they met Sundowns was scrambling. Hence, they were not really tested. And I've said, Izolo, today they are going to be tested. And it's a pity ngoba khona uRobla who scores against Chiefs in any given day, given a chance. Back to you, Chiefs. You cannot play high line ngama defenders angenayo i-pace. Why? That is dangerous. It is dangerous because the Chiefs cannot control a game immediately. In the center of the park, Kaizer Chiefs are not capable of controlling a game. Namhlanje that was evident. They were losing a ball cheaply in the middle of the park. Umthetho uqale ngayo uOx Mfanyambos. Umthetho is too predictable. Umthetho, you know ukuthi ibhola mabeliza kuyena, it's a wall pass okanye he's going to open up and pass that player. You always need to be aware of two options that he has. It's up to the opposition ukuthi imnikeza yiphi option ezoba advantageous kubona to win lelo bhola lelo because the guy is so predictable. In my opinion, number one, uthatha umthetho umyisa full center back kahle kahle, kwi-right center back ucompete no-captain for i-position. Ku-number 6 you bring in uCele. uNdlovu ngisaka Chiefs. uNdlovu is good and he assists kwi-build-up phase. He progresses with the ball. Unayo i-pass epenetratayo, ama-pass aya-forward futhi now. But to do that, he need a partner. Yabona into engiyibonile lapha is the same nalento ayenza uNdlovu ekwi-Super Sport uMagameni engasekho. Umntana abantu limphendulile lokho njani. Umntana sekhaya futhi limphendula ihashi lapha. Into efana ifuzule umthwalo yodwa. You cannot win a game ngomdlalo yedwa. He is good as an 8 and he can help with build-up phase. He can also help out of position because he's good with marking. He can progress the ball because unawo ama-passes and he's arrogant on the ball. Uyakwazi to protect the ball. He has passes. Uyakwazi ukudribble. He can add numbers in the box. Unamagoli nasey'nyaweni. Good signing, but he needs a partner to carry his job. And uCele, I think, can give him that partnership. Or Unqobo. Lilep, good technique, une power, une pace. But to play as a winger, no. He needs to be converted and made a number 9. He can be more of a threat centrally because uPhakeme une aerial presence, une strength, une jubane, une technical good in ukhahleleni ibhola. Susulile esidini, umfake esend, ubuyisa uVilakazi, umfake kwi-right wing because you have a right wing, a proper right wing, Mfundo Vilakazi. It's time unabi trust Mfundo Vilakazi as a right wing. Thatha uMdu umdlalise ka-10. Trust uMdu, trust uVilakazi. Trust uMdu, trust uVilakazi. It's either number 9 udlala uDe Silva or uLilebo. Ngala kwi-left wing put uSerino and they will interchange noMdu. That if Unabi is serious ngokukora ama-goal because the Kaizer Chiefs in 6 games has only scored 6 goals, which to me is very poor because the Chiefs is a big team in the country. Ubuka ngokuthi kuphakathi neviki vele idayisa wonke ama-ticket that this is a big team. But a big team, he needs to show also ngama results grounded. uhlangothi la left uMarco noModi i-interchange yabo beyi-good moving forward, but bengenayo i-final product, and also it was left exposed every time uMarco underlaps or overlaps ashiya uModi ngemuva. That's a weakness. That's a weakness. I-partnership kaKapteni noMcCarthy i-Chiefs need to sign on number 6 and the right centre back. If uDotley engakalulami, they also need a left centre back. uFroz la bekakhona, but i-lacks in comparison uma umqhathanisa noMonyane, because uMonyane brings energy going forward and also recovery. So there were many areas with Kaizer Chiefs that were not good, that looked loose. So if you only watch the game from 65 minutes to 90th minute, last 25 minutes, you think that the Kaizer Chiefs was good on the day. Forgetting that already Sekhukhune have buried the game. Abakhipha bonke abadlali because it threats with Kaizer Chiefs babeke benchini, and then put on abadlali abazoconsolidate match because it's already finished. 3-1, it's finished. It's done. Klar. Sekhukhune. They have a good goalkeeper, a good shot stopper. Centre back pairing, it was good in my opinion. Sibukile Club as a rest defense. The boy knows what to do, when to do. He knows his job very, very well. He understands ukuthi i-Chiefs mabi attack, it is job mabi easy bowler on the far right, it is job to anticipate and avoid the cross coming into the sides of goal. He understands that. He understands when to go forward and when to track back and defend. He's good. He's a good left back with the club. Mubuga Undlovu convert a striker that is converted to a right centre back, and the performance level it shows ukuthi abadlali beSekhukhune are ready to play for coach wabo. There's a rhythm with him. Eric Tinkalapa is doing something. Wonke ama-department ayafunctiona. Umkhize noMonare Laputesh, I think they had a field day with Kaizer Chiefs. They were detecting terms, they were winning all the balls that were sent off the park, which makes the Chiefs suffer and concede so many goals. I-pace kaMagalo esayidini angicabanga ukuthi iyona into yokuqala bebeyibhekile, hence uFroster didn't give i-Kaizer Chiefs much going forward because bebe-aware ukuthi uMagalo is a threat. But not only him, i-pace kaMncube beba-embarrass laphaya lokhu njani uCaptain noMcCarthy. I-pace beyingekho, that's why ngithi you cannot play ahelan ngama-defense angenayo i-pace. Ne-communication ayikho kahle, ne-timing. Uma buka igoli lokuqala nje phakathi uMarco noMcCarthy, already uMcCarthy bese out of position, and since yonke lento yenzeka phambi kwaMarco, uMarco should have seen i-player ezangolayini and keep his position. Should he have done that, they would have avoided that goal. There were so many mistakes with Kaizer Chiefs, high school mistakes. Hobler, excellent. Deserving man of the match performance. 2 goals and an assist. And he said, it's amazing what 7 years ago, Kaizer Chiefs said he is out of his prime, but today, Wumata Dawama goal, he had something to do with all those goals. A brilliant deep run from Dash. 3 touches, a clearance on the back, a flick uGrobler, and then basho uDash wavelwenza enye into. And he scored. Beautiful goal. Kaizer Chiefs scored, yes. Kudos to Sereno because he plays that ball from deep and we find Ulilepo inside in which Ulilepo did a good job to put the ball in the box and was scrambled with the silver and it ended up being a goal. But you need more scoring opportunities created if you are a team that is big as the Kaizer Chiefs. That's why I need to coach it high time that he trusts Mfundo Vilakazi as his left wing. He trusts Mdu Shabalala as his 10 or as his left wing. And also Sereno needs to be there in the field of play all the time. And if he wants to initiate the play, then number 6, number 8, he needs to have Ucele lapha noNdlovu or Ucele noNgcobo or uNdlovu noNgcobo. 2 of those players need to be in the field of play. Akamreste kancane umthetho. Umthetho is too predictable. Too predictable. And no matter, I'm not sure noma ufana no Shoes Mushwewu noma i-hairstyle eyenza ukuthi kube ngathi Shoes Mushwewu, but if you want to look like Shoes Mushwewu, at least be like Shoes Mushwewu in terms of performance, not by looks and style, but in terms of performance. Shoes Mushwewu, a legend. This is nevertheless commentaries. Siyahlaba, sihlinze, sihlahlele, siyabe. Ofuna ephekiwe mfowethu, uyophekela wena ekhaya. Yikho indoda engaphekelenge. But congratulations to iLokhunjani, iSikhukhune United. Igame yabo beyinhle wonke ama-department. And in my opinion, they did outclass the Kaizer Chiefs, and they proved the fact that the Kaizer Chiefs defense has not been tested for the past 5 games. Namhlanje, as I've said, Izolo. I'm hoping that the Kaizer Chiefs will fix these mistakes going to the Confederations Cup over the weekend and come back the game next week have fixed the mistakes are there namhlanje. Because if they continue like this, they will prove a point at this KTV with the Chiefs is not a top 5 type of a team yet. They will prove this KTV mabebebuza ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will it be at least in top 8 this season if they will come back next week with the same performance. So they will prove a lot of critics who were saying ama-games amahlanu okuqala Chiefs bekumlilo amaphepha. They will prove ama-critics that Kaizer Chiefs can do better without coach Nazaruddin Nabi. They seriously need to make changes and come back into the field of play and start winning games again. But I cannot accept Kaizer Chiefs even a performance engineer. I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I cannot accept Kaizer Chiefs with that type of a performance. We are tired, or I am tired of Bonnie Sundowns each and every season. And the only person who has a chance or who looks like they want to compete with the Sundowns, the Pirates, kudos to iSikhukhune because they are showing the progression good season, which was evident also in past 2 seasons because they've been in top 4, I think, in past 2 seasons. And in the season, they are showing that they want to cement their spots with top 4. If possible, they can ace iLokhunjani, Stellenbosch with top 3, or they can be on the top 2 and Bakuluzi Orlando Pirates or Sundowns. They show they mean business and they are serious. And it's time with the Kaizer Chiefs do the same thing. They won by 2-0 namhlanje. I think that was beautiful against Isiwele. Also, Chippa United, I think they won their first game this season. So, which is good in my opinion because as I saw came here about losing against Sundowns. The two coach about do know football, realize football. It was just unfortunate that he found Abo Master Balek game ayedlala naye. So kudos ukuthi bawinile and also i-Durban City. So i-Durban City is trying by all means to cement i-status sabo kwi-Betway Premiership, which I'm very, very glad to see. I'm hoping that izinto zabo zepolitiki ziyosolva kale Maritzburg bokuyisa ama-games wabo to a slaughterhouse la eHerigwara, so that you can watch those games live. Babuyisa ibhola balilethe la eMaritzburg. One of the beautiful games atholakala khona la eMaritzburg, everybody knows. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. I will see you kusasa emva kwegame ye-Sundowns. I'm hoping ukuthi sonke sizoba grand. I-Sundowns, I'm hoping ukuthi izocontinue le thing ekhona, because I don't see Maromo Gallants winner over i-Sundowns kusasa. Please do subscribe if you watch this video to this far. I would like to hear your views on this video and about the Kaizer Chiefs performance and also Sekhukhune performance. Yeah, I love you. Good night.